Have you ever finished creating a beautiful Microsoft Word document, only to discover that the formatting changes when you send it to someone else? Or maybe you've struggled with printing a document where the pages are cut off, the margins are wrong, or the layout does not look professional. The truth is, creating a document is only one part of the process, and making it readily available is another thing. However, a true Microsoft Word professional also knows how to export documents properly, share files professionally, and prepare documents for printing. Welcome to Module 9 of the Mastering Microsoft Word series, from a total beginner to an advanced user. In this module, we are going to learn how to export documents, share, and print documents professionally. In this module, you learn the final steps that transform Word documents from simple files into professional, ready-to-use documents. We will cover saving documents as PDF, optimizing print settings, sharing documents through OneDrive and email, and also you will learn some professional printing techniques. Whether you are preparing a business report, a school assignment, a company document, certificates, or official letters, knowing these skills will help you deliver your work professionally. So let's get started. Section 9.1 Exporting Documents. After spending so much time creating and formatting a document, the next important step is to know how to export it properly. Exporting a document allows you to convert your Word document into different formats that are easier to share, view, or print. One of the most common formats professionals use is PDF. PDF stands for Portable Document Format. The advantage of PDF is that it preserves your fonts, your images, your layout, and printing formatting. This means that your document looks the same whether someone opens it on a computer, a tablet, or a phone. Let's learn how to save our document as PDF. We can do this by going to File and click on it. Then you can choose Save As or Export. Let's choose Save As. From here, you can browse for the location where you'd want to save your file. Let me click on Browse and select Desktop, and also select PDF from here. Then click OK. Now your document has been converted into a professional PDF file, and it can even open in a web browser. When to use PDF? PDF is especially useful for business proposals, certificates, resume, contracts, reports, academic submissions, and official documents. Whenever you want your document to maintain its original appearance, PDF is usually the best choice for you to make. Optimal printing settings. Before printing any document, professionals always review their print settings. A document that looks perfect on screen may not print correctly if the settings are wrong. Here are some important print settings that you should know. If you want to print all pages in your document, then just click on Print when the print dialog box opens. You can also increase the number of copies you want by increasing the values in copy. Assuming you want to print a selected page, then you can choose Current Page Only, or you can also select Custom Print, and this will allow you to specify a page number that you want printed. After that, you can also increase the number of copies that you want. Before going to click on the Print button, you need to make sure that the right printer is selected. In most cases, your installed printer is your default printer. You can also choose a default printer on your network. You can also choose between landscape and portrait page orientation for your document. This determines the orientation in which your final document will print. You can also select your paper size by clicking on this arrow. This allows you to select from a wide range of paper size. For example, A4, letter, legal, A3, and many more. If everything checks out correctly, then you are good to go. So let's get that document printed. Section 9.2 Sharing Documents. In today's digital world, document creation is often not carried out by only one individual. Teams collaborate, managers review reports, students work together on projects. Microsoft Word provides powerful sharing options to make collaboration easier. One of the best ways to share your document is through OneDrive. OneDrive allows you to store files online, access documents anywhere, share your files with others, and collaborate in real time. Let's look at how to save our document to OneDrive. Go to File once again and click on Share. Enter email addresses and choose permission settings. You can decide whether people can view your document only or edit documents. Whenever sharing your documents, always consider permissions. For example, a manager reviewing a report may need editing access, while a client receiving a final document may only need viewing access. Microsoft Word also works well with email. You can send documents directly by attaching files, sharing links, or sending PDFs. Best practices that you should know. Before sending an important document, always check the file name, document formatting, spelling errors, and correct attachment. Section 9.3 Professional Printing Tips. Printing may seem simple, but professional printing requires attention to details. A poorly printed document can affect how people view your work. Let's look at some printing layouts. Before printing your document, always preview your document. To do this, go to File and click on Print. Review your print by looking at page breaks, images, headers and footers, page numbers, margins, and many more. You can decide to print your document only on one side of the paper or on both sides of the paper. For longer documents, double-sided printing can save paper and create more professional results. It is commonly used for reports, manuals, training materials, books, and many more. Sometimes a document may not fit properly on the page, so it is important for you to scale your document and look at the page setup properly. Click on this. Word provides scaling options for you to fix this. For example, you can decide to fit to a page, reduce document size, adjust margins, or print 2 pages per sheet, 1 page per sheet, and many more. Before printing your final document, check the following: correct page size, proper margins, correct orientation. Check whether header and footers displays correctly. Also check if page number is working, and also if images are positioned correctly. These skills are useful in many situations. Students submitting assignment can do so professionally. They can also export research projects as PDF. To the business owner, they can share proposals, print reports, and contracts professionally. Also, to the school owner, knowing these skills allows you to create certificates professionally and also distribute official documents. And for organizations, sharing forms and manuals becomes a simple task. With this, we have come to the end of Module 9. But before we go, you know what time it is. It's assignment time. Practical assignment on Module 9. Assignment 1. Create a professional document and save it as original Word file. Export it as PDF and compare both versions. Assignment 2. Share your document using OneDrive sharing as an email attachment. Practice changing permissions from view only to granting editing access. Assignment 3. Prepare your document for printing. Before you do that, adjust page settings, review print preview, enable double-sided printing, and print a professional copy. Congratulations! You've now learned how to properly export, share, and print Microsoft Word documents like a professional. Remember, creating a document is only one half of the journey. A true Word expert knows how to deliver that document professionally. If this lesson helped you, like the video, share your biggest takeaway in the comments, subscribe so you don't miss the final module. In the next lesson, we will complete the journey with Module 10, Final Project and Assessment. This is where you apply everything you've learned to create a complete professional document. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the final module. Bye for now.